All right, so there's an electrical problem with this car, if you guys could hear it. It's a little humming place. I gotta find out where it's actually hitting the actual cable, because there's something's wrong with my electrical and I don't know where it's discharging. So this is a perfect time to actually use this device here, not just to probe your battery, but also other parts of the electrical parts of your car. And we're gonna test this out right now. I'm gonna set it up. We're gonna test out all the functions on here and see how it works. So let's go ahead and put it together. Let's set up make sure these cables don't intercept each other. So red is positive and negative is going to be, so we have red is positive. You guys can see red is positive. Grab it here. Negative, it's going to be here. All right, we got our system going. Now this thing's turned on automatically, if you guys can see with the actual function. You got LED lights if you need to go more in depth and touch some of the actual controllers to make sure that there's nothing ground is touching, or maybe electrical panel that needs to be replaced. It has that little probe. You do have to remove this plastic, but at the moment we're not going to do that. So here, when you come in here, you could actually test all this part right here. It's going to give you all those functions. Now here's actually where the trick comes in handy. You're gonna have to you need ground. All right, make sure you ground this to a metal piece. All right, so we're grounding it right now, if you guys can see that. And then you could probe this, all right, to different locations. Like right now we're gonna see the battery. We're gonna go to battery.
The Automotive circuit tester's 4 modes to diagnose the electrical systems, which can be accessed by depressing the mode button and cycling through each 1 DC voltage. With a resolution of 0.1 volts. Read the max voltage, the min voltage, and frequency between the tip and auxiliary ground lead. Diode 0-3V identify the positive and negative poles of the diode. Effortlessly switch between 4 operating modes for ultimate versatility and ease of use.